Is your cable box feeling hot to the touch and shutting down right in the middle of your favorite show? Don't worry, because we are going to cool down your hardware and keep it running right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Overheating usually happens when dust clogs the internal fans. The processor gets overloaded by a full hard drive, or there is simply zero airflow around the unit. Let's save your device with these 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. Relocate the box to an open space. If your cable box is tucked inside a closed cabinet, it is basically an oven. Move it to a shelf with at least 4 inches of open air on all sides to allow heat to escape. Step 2. Use a can of compressed air. Dust acts like a blanket on the internal motherboards. Blow short bursts of air into the side and back vents to clear out the lint that is trapping all that heat inside. Step 3. Elevate the unit. Use 4 small rubber feet or even bottle caps to lift the box a ½ inch off the surface. This allows air to circulate underneath where the heat often builds up against the plastic. Step 4. Unstack your devices. Never place your cable box directly on top of a hot gaming console or an audio receiver. This heat stacking will cause both devices to thermal throttle and shut down. Step 5. Clear the internal storage. If your DVR is 90% full, the internal hard drive has to work twice as hard and generates massive amounts of heat. Delete old shows to give the drive a break. Step 6. Perform a deep power cycle. Unplug the box from the wall for 10 full minutes. This allows the internal components to return to room temperature and clears out stuck background processes that are overworking the CPU. Step 7. Check the power adapter. If your power brick is extremely hot, it might be failing and sending unstable voltage to the box. Ensure the adapter is in a well-ventilated area and not buried under a pile of cables. Step 8. Disable always-on features. Go into your settings and turn off quick start or instant on modes. This allows the hardware to actually shut down and cool off when you aren't watching TV. Step 9. Inspect the internal fan. While the box is on, listen closely to the vents. If you don't hear a faint whirring sound or feel a slight breeze, the internal cooling fan has failed and the hardware needs a professional repair. Step 10. Remove the plastic film. It sounds simple, but many new boxes come with a thin, clear plastic wrap. If you haven't peeled this off, it is blocking the ventilation holes and causing an immediate heat spike. Here's a pro tip for you. If your box is still running hot, try using a small USB-powered cooling fan. You can plug it directly into the USB port on the back of the cable box to create a constant stream of fresh air for the internal chips. If you are facing any difficulty with these cooling steps, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert tech fixes. Stay cool, because your cable box is officially protected.